let's unbox Jaguar electric cycle and fix it. So this is Jaguar model from Voltebyk. Let's lift it carefully and place it aside. So let's see what are the accessories that we got in this box. This box we have the mud guard, few battery for e-bike, and accessories which are in this box, and the front end. We can fix this handle like this and tight it. So these are the base of pedals we got in this box. So we have indications for right and left pedals. So this is our Jaguar edition. We can fix this battery like this and we can simply lock it. So finally ready to ride.